Hi there. In this video, we will cover customer refunds. To manage and view refunds in your TechMan system, hover over the Jobs tab and select Customer Refunds. From here, we can see all refunds created below with a reference to date created, job number, refund total, and additional important information. We can also search for refunds using the filters. You can filter by refund status, created, refunded, and cancelled. We can also search the creation date. Next, let's go through how to create a refund. When on a job, you have the option to create a refund against labor or products. Hit the refund option at the top of the job to start. Now you will have two sections in which you may select labor lines to refund and/or select products to refund. When selecting labor lines to refund, it displays the labor information and price with the option of choosing your refund quantity and price, along with a refund reason to be logged for your record. You can also select products to be refunded below. The difference here is you can choose where the product needs to be returned to supplier or to stock. Once you've chosen what needs to be refunded, hit Create Refund at the bottom. Now that the record of the refund has been created, we must select Make Refund Payment to finalize it as refunded. We have to at this point choose the refund method, the date for the refund, and lastly the amount. Then click Save. If required, you can view the refund or itemized refund by hovering over Download and selecting the desired document. From here, you can then print if necessary. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.